Oh, what we got here? Got some 2 ice creams in there. Some chicken steaks, chicken tenders, and got some chicken breasts like that. Got some oxtails like that. Some rice chips. Chicken meatballs, just like that. I've got some ice right there, and we also got some more oxtail, and some fabulous, and some white breads like that. That's in a minute. Some chicken. There's your ice container. Right there, so you can see more ice in there, there's water in there as well. We can start by ice, the date before 2025 August, I think. Concludes 2025 December, I think, 27th, I think. Got some air controls there. 210 double cream, spoon waters, rice leftovers for me, more waters, got one bit right there, got open water, and we've got some water for this one, you can control that, got some cheese, and we've got some British shredded cheese as well. And got some Britannia like that. For all your ingredients. Got some more cheese. I don't know what it is. Got some no salad cream. Needs more salad cream. Got some mint sauce. And got pesto. Got some everything there, milk, barbecue sauce, and we got some that one, and we got some got some more drinks. We have some that one, and that one, and some chocolates as well, and some drinks and beers as well, alcohol and stuff like that. And that as well. Okay, that's everything there, as well as this one. Okay, have a look in there. The labels like that. So, got some energy rating and all sorts of. And there's some serial number on that, as you can see, which is pretty cool. Okay, so back to the diet, I think.